The name of the company is What's the Buzz Coffee, and we're located in College Station, Texas, what we call Aggieland. We've been in business for 11 years now. We started as a really small micro roaster, and now we're roasting an average of about 3,000 pounds a week. Primo was able to offer us a 30-kilo roaster. It was pretty much built and tailored to our needs. So that was another deciding factor that we really liked. We had a great experience with the builders and the owner of Primo. The roaster had an amazing price, made in the US. We went from color to some of the extra devices that we asked for, like drum speed, for example, more pros. It's a no-brainer, really. Buying a new machine with a warranty versus having two older machines that are over 15 years old with zero warranty. So we're really happy with the outcome. It was an amazing experience. I'm Rodrigo Chavez. I'm the proud owner of What's the Buzz Coffee in College Station, Texas.